In the shadows of what you throw away, I build a world you'll never see. No gold, no crown, no guarantees, just broken parts and fantasies. They say I'm wasting all my time playing God with scraps and lies, but in my head it's screaming loud. This chaos keeps me alive. I'm fueled by imagination, turning waste into creation. No permission, no explanation. This obsession bores me. Rusting wires in my hands, I stitch them into something real. From what you left to rot and fade, I make a future out of steel. My pulse is racing out of control. These thoughts refuse to let me go. I feel it building in my veins. There's no escape from what I am. I'm fueled by imagination, recycled dreams, new sensation. From the wreckage I'm reborn again. This obsession pulls me. If this world wants me silent, I'll scream until it breaks. Inside the mess you fear the most, I find the truth.